What's going on, everyone? This is Sabri Thompson with the Thompson Realty Group, and I'm here to show you what $500,000 gets you in Newcastle County. I'm here at 2402 Maple Ave here in Pike Creek, Delaware. Pike Creek is one of the most sought after areas here in Newcastle County. They're known for their convenience, their schools, and overall family feel. So let's go ahead and take a look inside. So as you walk up, you can see there's a mixture of a brick and vinyl siding. You have the two-car garage here and a very spacious driveway. And this beautiful and clean, low maintenance porch is perfect for relaxing on a nice day. So as you step inside, you're greeted with the open floor plan when you have the family room and the dining that flows seamlessly into the kitchen. The bright windows give some good natural lighting, but you also have the recess as well. So whether you're entertaining with family or hosting different gatherings, this space blends perfectly where everyone could be together. So let's check out the kitchen. So normally with new construction, you normally have the chance to pick out your different finishes, the colors of your cabinets and your countertops and things of that nature, but they did a good job here. We have stainless steel appliances throughout the kitchen. We have 42-inch white cabinets, which are really nice, but you gotta make sure you keep them clean. And then we also have a nice island here, so you can have a breakfast bar, or it could be for your dining as well. I know everyone kind of does it differently, but like I said, it flows seamlessly with the dining room and the living area, so you can kind of have everything in one. One of the things I really love about this new construction home is the basement. This is something that you don't always get with every builder. Let's check it out. So as we get down here, you can see that this is a fully finished basement. Now, every builder doesn't offer this. This is something that you sometimes have to add on, which can be very costly. So the fact that you have a finished space here is a plus. Now, this finished space could be whatever you want. Just make sure it's according to your lifestyle. It could be an extra playroom for your kids. It could be a gym, or it could be a second living room. It's your choice. So before we head upstairs, let me show you what else we have on the first level. So as we head to the rear of the kitchen, we also have around this corner a half bath, which is good. So if you're cooking, you don't have to run upstairs. We know how emergencies can get, and we have some extra storage here that you can use. And then let's check out this two-car garage. So as we step down, you can see the two-car garage is very spacious. Whether you want to use it for your cars or storage, you have at it. It's pretty self-explanatory. All right, so now we're going to head upstairs where you'll see 4 bedrooms and 2 full baths. Let's go check them out. So as we make our way upstairs, the first thing you'll notice is the first full bathroom as soon as you get up the stairs. And something I forgot to mention, and this is something that a lot of my clients look forward to, is having laundry on this level so they don't have to go up and downstairs on laundry day, because that could be a workout in itself. You'll see here. So directly behind me, we'll have the first 2 bedrooms, and then directly in front of me, we have the 3rd bedroom. All of the bedrooms are pretty comparable in size, with the exception of the front-facing bedroom that has 2 windows, so it's a little bit bigger. But I know you all been waiting for this. Let's go ahead and check out the master suite. All right, so this master suite is approximately 20 by 12. We have an en-suite bathroom with Jack and Jill sinks and just a standard shower. And then we also have a very spacious walk-in closet with some additional storage above. All right, so that wraps up the inside of the home. Let's go check out back. So as you can see, the backyard is very spacious, and it's really a blank canvas for you to come in and make it your own. Whether that's adding a spacious deck for entertaining, maybe even a pool, the options are yours. So there you have it. That's 2402 Maple Ave here in highly desirable Pike Creek, Delaware. This home is ready for its new owners, and that could be you. If you want a detailed breakdown on what this home could cost you, please reach out to me today. I'll put my information down in the description box below. This home actually qualifies for some down payment assistance, some transfer tax credits. So this one is waiting, and the seller is motivated. So I look forward to talking to you soon. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for more. See you soon.